Going forward, and also we have provide all of this material cards for our client. So after the second robot arm grab the battery module, the module will enter to this section by the robot arm. So this operator will use the QR code scanning gun to scan each battery cell's QR code, and then binding each cell's QR code into one module, generate one module code, and then apply the module sticker on the top of the end place. After binding, the first workstation we will do will be the insulation detection. In here, we will have like a tester to testing the whole module's insulation. Make sure all the connection is connected like properly. Okay, for the next one, this will be terminal pole photography. We have like camera to track each terminal pole's like location, and then generate one coordinate of each terminal pole, x-axis and y-axis, and data feeding to the rest of the workstation. So that will be this workstation is designed for terminal pole photography. Going forward, I think here, yes, I think this door will be safer for me to open. This workstation, that will be, because sometimes when you have battery cell, there's a chance that operator might touch it, or there's some electric light on the top, or sometimes you have like dust on the top. So make sure we have like a best laser welding effect. We add this workstation, it's called terminal pole laser cleaning. We have like using like 200 watts to clean the surface, make sure there's no other material on the top of the terminal pole. So this is what be the laser cleaning of the battery module. I think you can get a closer look. Okay.